Gesture control and touchless interfaces. Gesture recognition is yet another leap in human-computer interaction, allowing users to communicate with machines through body movements and hand gestures. This innovation is a step closer to making interaction with computers feel more natural and intuitive, eliminating the need for physical devices like keyboards and mice. Systems like Microsoft's Kinect or Leapmotion's controller showcase how gesture-based control is applied in gaming, design, and even virtual simulations. Touchless interfaces are especially beneficial in sterile environments like hospitals, where physical contact with devices needs to be minimized. Surgeons, for example, can control imaging equipment using simple gestures, reducing the risk of contamination. In automotive settings, gesture control systems help drivers adjust settings like the air conditioning or music volume without taking their hands off the steering wheel. The future of gesture control will likely see increased accuracy, with more complex gestures and body language being recognized. Coupled with AI and computer vision, these systems could become highly sophisticated, allowing for even more seamless and hands-free interaction between humans and machines.